All right, welcome to the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. We are going to look at the Atom universe today on the blockchain, and I went back into my Atom because on AI, and I found this thing called Bostrom or Boot that had a big pump today, so I'm looking at it right now. So some of you followed us and staked your Atom on what's called osmosis. So there's a couple of things you need here. The first thing you're going to need is a Keplr Wallet. That's kind of like the MetaMask or Rabby for Atom. So you can download that from the Chrome Web Store. It's going to look like this. That's the first thing you're going to want to do. You're going to want to send Atom to it. So you'd copy this address, Cosmos Hub, copy that. You can buy Atom on crypto.com, then send it here. And then when you do want to kind of use it, you're going to need to send it here. So you'd come to Assets. And if I wanted to deposit some Atom, which I'm going to do right now. All right. So again, you're going to go to app.osmosis.zone. And you're going to have your Keplr wallet. And then you're going to deposit Atom. So I'm going from my Cosmos Hub, which is basically my wallet, to Osmosis. So you never want to put in all of a asset because you need gas. So I'm going to deposit Atom. This pops up. I hit approve. This just costs 3 cents. And if you guys don't know, Atom is in the top, Atom or Cosmos is in the top 30 of cryptocurrencies. So I can refresh the screen here and my Atom should show up, or it will very shortly. All right, so we'll give that a second to show up. Now, if you staked and you want to unstake, because I'm going to show you guys how to do liquid staking, at least that's my plan. You can see that these are my validators. I have 30 Osmos staked. So what you have to do is I have them in these two. So I can click here and hit unstake. Redelegate would be putting it with another validator. But I'm just going to unstake max. And it takes 14 days for it to be liquid. So I'm just going to start it now. That costs 1 cent to do. And this is kind of normal with a lot of them because they don't want, if something happens in the market, they don't want a bunch of people unstaking and then sell their tokens. So basically it's just like a cool down period. Okay, and then I need to go to Cosmos Hub. And I have them staked with 3 different of them. And I already did this, but just so you guys know, I basically got 50% more Atom. I staked 30 Atom, and I had 15 of them that had built up in about a year and a half. And I mean, I knew the price was going to go down, but I just wanted to stake them and keep them in my own possession. Okay, so I'm going to come down to each one of these and unstake. Cosmos takes 21 days to be liquid. So I'm going to do max. Do the next one, unstake, max. Last one. Okay, we got all those done. That'll be ready in 21 days. So I'm going to come to Osmosis, my assets. I'm going to deposit my boot. And you guys got to go to their website and just play around with it, it's freaking sweet. And I did buy some space pussy, just so in true transparency, guys. I don't know anything about it. I just wanted to buy it because I'm like, what is this? But their website's sweet. There's some things you can do to get a free gift, an NFT. I got another video coming out about that. But you guys can play around with this with yourself. It's badass. All right. Where was I? Okay, so I have my 4 billion boot tokens. So now I'm going to go to stake. Go to Bostrom. Okay, so I have that there. So I'm going to come to, you can pick other validators here, but Cyberchurch had the cheapest one. So I'm going to click on them. I'm going to hit stake. You are staking to a top 10 validator. Continue to stake. And this one has an 8 days if you want to unstake. So if I want to do max, or maybe in here I want it in my wallet. So I think I want it actually in my Keplr wallet, not Osmosis. So I'm going to withdraw this. This is why I do this for you guys, so you don't have to make all these mistakes that I do. So you actually want it in your wallet, not on Osmosis. Okay, so now in here we go to Bostrom. There we go. I thought I had more than that. There we go. Okay, so just let me refresh this. There we go. So I got my 4 billion boot. Okay, $263. As you can see, just from that 92 cents I put in, I've already made that much boot. So I'm going to go to Cyberchurch. I'm going to stake. And I'll do almost all of them. Now, of course, the downside of this is I won't be able to, if, this does go up way even more, I won't be able to, I'll have to wait to unstake it. But I'm pretty confident in this one long term. It's, it's $250. I'm going to take that risk. That is probably all I will do today. Just wanted to introduce you guys again to Atom. Guys, this is the most important thing. There's going to be so many massive airdrops that come from people just using protocols. There was a article on Twitter the other day about a 17-year-old who got $200,000 of airdrops from just a couple $100 that he had done on Solana. So get into the DeFi ecosystem, get educated. Just start with $100, $50. Get in there, play around, figure out how things work. Okay, you're not gonna break the internet or something. Just be safe. Make sure you're using, CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to get the original links from where you go. All right. Hopefully that will help you guys on your DeFi journey. Lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.